Si Caroline at ako isang nurse sa Saudi Arabia na naghahanap ng extra income. 2 months ago, na-curious ako sa dropshipping business. And isa sa may mga dropshipping business, itong JC Premier and House of Franchise. So what I did first is nag-research ako kung sino ang mga CEO or may-ari ng JC Worldwide Franchise pati House of Franchise. Mr. Jonathan So and Carlito Macadangdang. They founded JC Worldwide Franchise during 2006 and yung House of Franchise during 2010. And na-amaze ako, sobrang dami nilang nakuhang award as a CEO of the company. Then naisip ko, if these people have many achievements in taking care of their company, so meaning the risk of yung malulugi or mag-down ang company is very minimal. So kaya sabi ko, let's go. Ito na ang aking pipiliin for my dropshipping business. So what are the products of this company? First of all, since they own the very famous Shomai King, they have a franchise all over the world. Kaya din ako nag-decide na pumasok dito because all of the people already knew kung gaano kasarap ang Shomai King. Your consumer will just simply click the link. Hindi mo na kailangan i-pack yung order nila. Meron nang magpapack ng order nila para sa'yo and papasok lang sa account mo yung commission na matatanggap mo. Hindi lang Shomai King ang meron sa kanila. They have different online franchise also. And next one, additional din, meron din silang TokTok application in which hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng sasakyan or motor or para maging rider. But again, by simply sharing your link to people who have an online shop, gagamitin nila yung TokTok application mo, meron ka rin commission. And lastly, yung pinaka-paborito ko is yung kanilang JC Worldwide Franchise. Hindi lang local ang mga consumers mo, pati na rin from different places all over the world. Sila din ang mag-ship. Mahirap magbenta kung ikaw mismo wala kang tiwala sa produkto mo. So, nung niresearch ko ang barley products ng JC Premier, na-amaze lang ako dahil ginawa talaga ang produkto na ibebenta mo sa New Zealand, where barley products will be cultivated in an unpolluted soil. So, ikaw mismo, alam mo na yung binibenta mong produkto is good for your health. Nakakatuwa lang dahil ang JC Organic is hindi lang nakikisabay sa mga company, but meron talaga silang sariling farm where they make the barley and sila mismo yung maka-harvest. Kung aware kayo sa Assure Quality, ibig sabihin nun, it is government-based accreditation na talagang ang ginagawa nila is certified organic at talagang nagfo-follow sa strict policy from farming, processing, until packaging. So makakasiguro ka talaga na ang produkto ng JC Premier is walang halong ibang chemical at healthy. Kaya if you're planning to do a dropshipping business and you do not know which company you want to join, pag-isipan mo to. And also, nakalimutan kong sabihin, you will also receive 20,000 worth of products for you to try at pwede mong ibenta na rin.